Hi, I'm JD Gunnell, USU Extension Gardening Expert. Here are July's gardening tips. July is the month of the tomato. If tomatoes in your garden are not producing, one common reason could be due to hot weather. When temperatures reach the mid-90s and above, the flowers will actually abort and very little fruit will be set on the plant. Just wait for cooler weather. Watch your tomatoes for blossom end rot. This is when the fruit develops a black or sunken area on the blossom or bottom end of the fruit. Some tomato varieties are more prone to blossom end rot, but it is usually caused by uneven wet, dry watering patterns. Zucchini was never meant to be the size of a baseball bat. Harvest summer squash and zucchini when they're still small and tender. They're usually ready to pick within a week from the time when the flower opens. Remove water sprouts, the vertical shoots in the canopy of fruit trees, to discourage regrowth and reduce shading on the fruit. Find more gardening tips like these at garden.usu.edu.